Alright, in this video, I'll be teaching y'all a little something about swiping. Just a little shit. But make sure you join my Telegram. It'll be in the description. Make sure you also, share the video, like a comment, stuff like that. Alright, let's get into it though. So, the first things you're gonna need to do, you're gonna need to go ahead and go over to Amazon and get yourself an OmniKey. I would recommend this one. It's a very good one. This is the one that I use or have used in the past, and it's one of the best by far. And you also need blank cards. They have to be these kind. They have to be unfused. J2 040 cards. Basically, if they're not unfused, the chip, you won't be able to rewrite over it, and it won't read right in the ATM, and it'll just completely fuck up your entire thing. All right, so that's it. And you also need one more thing. This is optional. Then you can also get an MSR that's optional, but it's just optional. All right, so let's get to the actual things. So basically, CardP. What CardP does is you would plug your OmniKey in. You would put your blank into the OmniKey, and it would basically just show you what is on the blank, like the numbers and all that stuff, and the balance and shit like that, and yeah. And then let's get to the art tools. It's basically just another reader. It's like it just reads it's like X2 basically. I got BP tools. I would get into BP tools, but BP tools is very we would be here for a long time. So I'm just gonna not get into that. But if you do happen to process or to purchase a MSR, you could use this. It's basically works the same as the old or the new X2, the X2 that I have, but it's just a little older. But it still works. You can get this one as well. It's free, and the CardP is also a free program. Well, actually, no, it's not. Never mind. All right. Another one, this is a really important one as well, JCOP. So basically in JCOP, you would put your tracking numbers and all that stuff in there, you select all that, plug in, format, you would clean data, you would basically have your OmniKey plugged in with the blank in here, and it would automatically fill, and you would clear everything on it. This basically just clears the blank and just makes it so there's no information on it, because some of the unfused blanks come with like weird information, like weird coding on them that will mess it up if you try to rewrite them. So yeah, that's what JCOP does. All right, so now I'm just gonna show you. I'm gonna show you X2, which is the main software. This is X2. This is what you're gonna be needing. X2, basically, you got your track 2. You got your you got track 2. You would find your track 2. Let's just basically say you buy a dump and a pen, or you buy a dump, right? This is your track 2 number, or this is your track number, whatever. Where is it? And then there's more. Let me see. And then more numbers. So, what's it called? You would click this holder's name, and hit a race name and an application label. It doesn't really matter either if you don't have it. If you buy one and it has a track 1, then you need to put the actual information for track 1. But if it doesn't come with it, if it just comes with track 2, then you're fine. You select whatever it is, Visa. If you're writing with either one of these, you would obviously be writing with an OmniKey. The effect date and the expiration date is basically when you're going to the ATM to go and cash out. So what you would do, you would pick the first four letters of the of the numbers up there, and you would put them in there, or you would put the yeah, you would put them up there, and you will be fine. And that's how it works. And there is one more I need to find to get real quick. I believe it's this one. Yes, it is this one. All right. Basically, this is what allows you to add the money onto the chip. This is you type the card number after you've done everything with it. You would generate everything, generate blah 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 blah. You would put all that stuff up there, all the, like the amount, the date you're gonna go cash it out, and numbers like that and all of that. It's really it's easy. You just gotta learn it. Yeah, like I said, that's it. It's just a short tutorial. Make sure you